In this video, I will show you how you can remove and attach the ear tips of the AirPods Pro. Now to do this, first of all, just grab your AirPods Pro. Now to remove the ear tips of your AirPods Pro, just grab on the ear tip of your AirPods Pro and pull it out. And as you can see, we have successfully removed the ear tip of our AirPods Pro. Now to attach it again, as you can see, the connector is shaped as an oval. Now just align the oval shape, just like that. Then push on the ear tip until you hear a clicking sound. After you hear the clicking sound, as you can see, we have successfully attached the ear tip on our AirPods Pro. Now while you're removing the ear tip, you might want a better grip. Now to get a better grip, just flip the ear tip just like that, and you will have a better grip on the ear tip, just like that. And as I said earlier, just align the oval shape on the connector. Then push it a little bit until you hear the clicking sound. And this is how you can remove and attach the ear tips on the AirPods Pro. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.